Well a carja, right, Shahid, hui me fríd na noti na hecnici filleta, Sadan magrasa idir lubini, le nula ni gonal hana féin, sa ceach dela, but anish tammy giri arc an fisa geranach, des na noti sagamsa, Michael. So, fuinam sha, bacorgaro na noti hemi undain, ola sagaf, agus na noti wahukain undain, ola sagaf. Now, sin racha. YouTube, right? Because it's hyperlinked from YouTube, I can see how many views a particular video has had, and it ain't good for the Mahukain folks. So please get on board. Be aware that stuff on ober accludium which sanam shaw idraha and amashaw during this period of time, COVID and EJ, the stuff that we're going to be covering, there won't be time to redo it. So please don't be under the impression, oh sure, it'll get done next term. It won't. There's other stuff to get done next term. Shin and brew, Fwina Wilmwich, that's the pressure we're under. So if I'm giving you something to learn, please make sure if I'm, making a tutorial or whatever, make sure you get through it. Otherwise you're making a whole handling for yourself, Erin Vlain Shahugging, Kierklor. Right, so Barul Erendan. Is even Lomandan Edrum Shaw. Now Trum is heavy, Edrum is light. I like this light-hearted kind of poem. Maar ta sé harave granwer, ta sé einte gujo granwer, ta sé an granwer. Neil Bwinch ag far an illa le noni ni. He has no connection to noni ni. Neil sé cosul le noni ni. Neil an commissionaire goel sé cosul le blachana. Aka wine, except for Govasi she damachas a cluasa agus curhas a relic. They're going to grow out of his ears when he's buried in the graveyard. Curhas a relic. You're used to cur meaning pot, which it does, but it also means to bury. Michael. So Tashin Granwer, right? That's a funny kind of comparison, comical. It's Lair Gwil Fehan Grin Iganilla. Now this is on your list of folklore, so there's a lot of this vocab you should be already familiar with. Mas Rode Gwil Shishin Folum Hiagav. It's Lair Gwil Fehan Grin Iganilla. It's clear that the poet has Fehan Grin, a sense of humour. Now that's an example of the Tishel Ginnajuk there, folks. The gift of humour, right? So the gran changes to Fehan Grin and Bekenshivshin. Agus Tasual Agam Guravali Afar, and I hope Guravali Afar that her husband is the same. Okay, Vimagiri ve Granwer and Shin Kenya. I hope the man's the same, or you could take it as a kind of an insult. Goel she genu Kurshius Mersha air. But Bejer Tasulag and Gwil Fehan Grin Erinar Kiela Fosta. Factor symbol inta klishja sa versa geranuk. So we see factor, it is seen. Free verbs, and I'm sure like rook. Factor symbol inta klishja sa versa geranuk in the last verse. This is where they're on about the fruit. Hug ewa ul dadu sa vibla. Eve gave, again this was on your list of folklore, Eve gave Adam an apple sa vibla in the Bible. Ach tugan an farsha ula dun illa. This man gives apples to the filla, nula ni gonal. Bejer gur symbol den tirsha na kera finuna. So maybe the grapes, you could see them, now this is all open to interpretation, but Bejer gur symbol den tirsha na kera finuna. Maybe the grapes are a symbol of freedom, sirsha. Godogan an far kiela sha, sirsha agus nyaus blachas, donilla. Is lergo will kaidru specialta, either on filla agus a far kiela. Kaidru specialty, it's clear that there's like a special relationship. Kaidru larger, either nul ni gonal agus alyanan a far kiela. Is far nua aimshaha you get the impression that he's a far nua aimshaha, because if he was a far shan aimshaha, he mightn't be putting up with the kind of ribbon that he's getting from nula ni gonal. So is far nua aimshaha agus ta mas ega eravan kiela. He has respect for his wife. Martashis Sasta agus tilshin of cursuas le fehan grin seki. He's happy and respectful enough to put up with her. He humours her. Okay. Kilian shishin goel kaidrov specialty idir an verchaku agus godigan shi de kela agus reich the nisha kela. Okay, shin a notia talafola magov done done warch. Okay, so tana noti the warul erandan le fola magov done warch a doachlug. Michael Neil she le genta riv on luan. buinnig í soltas an Jerry Sharptainine, tóga í sosig an Jerry Sharptainine, agus buin soltas an aimimseir galanta, gur mai go bh cardja amór slán.